Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, dear students, here is a question for all of you. And the question is, what is the best way to keep your bones and muscles strong? What is the best way to keep your muscles and bones strong? Think about it. Then raise your hand, and the second best option is write your answer in the chat. What is the best way to keep your bones and muscles strong? Start writing the answer in the chat and also raise your hand. Yes, what is the best way to keep your bones and muscles strong? Think about it and then answer. Yes. Huran Sabir. Yes, Huran Sabir.
The best way to keep your bones and muscles in good working order is to take regular gentle exercise.
Very well done. Excellent. And what else you can do to keep ourselves strong? Yes, the one thing Huran has told you that is exercise. What is the another way? Yes. Who else will answer us? Mohammad Ayan Mahmood. Yes, beta.
And good food and exercise.
Very good. Good food and exercise. Very well done. Okay, let's see who have answered us in the chat. Then we'll go further towards the topic. Okay, beta. Okay, Ayan and Moiz, very well done. Right answer, Sayyid Miran Shah, very good. Rohan, very well done. Fidak Zehra, excellent. And Sadid, sorry, what you have brought by 7, what is this? Very good, Miran. Now, let's go towards the topic. Excellent, all of you. The best way to keep our muscles and bones strong is to have balanced diet and to do exercise. What are the best ways? To have balanced diet and to do exercise. Last week, we have discussed about balanced diet in detail. Who will tell me what is balanced diet? Yes. Who will tell me what is balanced diet? Raise your hand and also write your answer in the chat. Yes. Who will answer? Jazal, Muhammad Jazal. Yes, beta. What do we mean by balanced diet? Quickly unmute your mic and then tell me, Jazal.
Miss balanced diet is
Yeah.
thing you eat or drink which is
Mhm.
healthy
Yeah.
and have good nutrients.
Very good. Well done. What is balanced diet? The food that gives you all the nutrients. Very good. Excellent. And the second word is exercise. What is exercise? Yes. Do any of you would like to tell me? What do we mean by exercise? Okay, I know that we haven't discussed it yet, but I am just asking about your ideas. What do you think? What is exercise? आपको क्या लगता है? Yes, please raise your hand and also write the answer in the chat. What do we mean by exercise? Yes, okay. We have Aisha Bibi. Yes, Aisha Bibi. What do we mean by exercise?
Moving our body about in different ways such as running, dancing and swimming. Regular exercise keep you fit.
Very well done. Excellent. Now let's go. Let's see who have answered in the chat. Then we'll go further. Okay. Beta, still students are joining the class. I told you to join the class at sharp 9. Okay? Today I am allowing you because it's Monday, but from tomorrow I am not going to allow you after 9:05. ठीक है? 5 minutes के बाद मैं किसी को allow नहीं करूंगी अब, ठीक है? Okay, Mohammad Jazil, very good. Right answer. Mishail, right answer. Ayan Muiz, very good. Right. Huran Sabir, very well done. Mohammad Rohan, Fidak Zehra, very good, all of you. Huran Sabir, well done. Okay, excellent, all of you. Now, let's see what the exercise is. Very good. As you all told that exercise means moving our body in different ways. What is exercise? Moving our body in different ways is called as exercise. What is exercise? Moving our body in different ways. Like you can see in the picture how they are moving their body. Okay? These all are types of exercise. Moving our body in different ways, such as running, swimming, playing, jumping. These all are exercise. What is exercise? Moving our body in different ways. What do you mean by exercise? Moving our body in different ways is called as exercise. What is exercise? Now keep it in mind. Moving our body in different ways, such as running, jumping, swimming, playing, dancing, these all are exercise. But when we exercise, we need energy. What we need? Energy. To do exercise, we need energy. Now the question is, from where we can get energy? Who will tell me? How can we get energy? Yes, start writing in the chat and also raise your hand. We all know that for exercise we need energy. But the question is how we will get the energy? Yes, start writing in the chat and also raise your hand. Hassan Ali. Yes, Hassan Ali. Yes, quickly unmute your mic and then tell me. Yes, Hassan Ali and Sufyan. Two students are sitting there, no? Hassan Ali and Sufyan. Yes, beta. How can we get energy? Okay, Hassan Ali and Sufyan, I am unable to listen you. मुझे बिल्कुल भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी. So please write the answer in the chat. I will read it from there. ठीक है बेटा? आप अपना आंसर chat में टाइप करें, मैं वहां से रीड कर लूंगी. Okay. Now, Mohammed Ayan and Mohammed Muiz. Yes.
Miss eating food.
Very good. We can get energy from food. Very well done. How can we get the energy? We can get the energy from food. For exercise, what we need energy. And for energy, what we need to have food. Okay, let's see who have answered us in the chat. Mohammed Muiz, right answer, beta. Rohan, okay, right. Jazil, well done. Fidak Zehra, right, very good. Mohammed Rohan, Fidak, Mohammed Jazil, excellent, all of you. Very good. Huran Sabir, Sadeed, very good, beta. Mohammed Miran Shah, right answer, well done. Aisha Bibi, very good. Okay. Okay, beta. What is exercise? Exercise means moving our body in different ways, like running, walking, jumping, swimming, playing, dancing. These all are exercises. Getting? And for exercise, what we need energy. For exercise, for doing exercise, we need energy. And to get energy, what we need to have a proper diet. We need to get food. Getting? Students, our body is just opposite to like machines. ठीक है? जिस तरह machines में क्या होता है? Machines में होता है जितना ज्यादा machines को use करते हो वो खराब हो जाती हैं. ठीक है? अगर आप ज्यादा use करोगे तो obviously वो खराब हो जाएंगी, है ना? But unlike machines, our parts of body are different. जितना ज्यादा हम अपने parts of body को use करेंगे उतने ज्यादा वो एक्टिव और स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे. ठीक है? जितना ज्यादा अपनी बॉडी के पार्ट्स को यूज करेंगे वो उतना ज्यादा एक्टिव और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएंगे. जबकि मशीन में क्या होता है, मशीन को आप जितना ज्यादा यूज करते हो वो ओल्ड हो जाती है और फिर खराब हो जाती है. बट हमारी बॉडी इससे टोटली अपोजिट है. ठीक है? द मोर वी विल यूज द पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी द बेटर दे विल वर्क. गेटिंग बेटर? the more we will use the parts of our body, the better they will work. Is it clear? Is there any confusion till now? Is there any confusion till now? No? If yes, please do ask me in the chat, and you can also raise your hand. Okay? Very good. As students have started writing no. Okay, beta. Good. At the end, I will ask you the question, so be ready for it. Okay. Beta, exercise you must have seen. People used to join the gym और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फिटनेस क्लब दे यूज टू ज्वाइन. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा बहुत से लोग क्या करते हैं, फिटनेस क्लब ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, या फिर कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो रेगुलर जॉगिंग के लिए जाते हैं, है ना. बट इफ यू कांट डू एनी सच सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन सिंपली गो फॉर वॉक. आप सिंपली वॉक के लिए चले जाएं, आप स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं, आप प्लेइंग, हम डिफरेंट गेम्स खेलते हैं, दीज ऑल आर एक्सरसाइज लाइक फुटबॉल, प्लेइंग बास्केटबॉल, क्रिकेट, दीज ऑल गेम्स are also a type of exercise. वो तमाम गेम्स जिसमें आपकी एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड है, जिसमें आपको एनर्जी यूज करनी पड़ रही है, वो क्या है, दे आर ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. Getting? Now, have you ever noticed that when you run, you start breathing faster? Why this happened? Yes, students. Have you ever noticed it? When we exercise, yes, simply when we run, we breathe faster and our heart beats faster. Why? Who will tell me? आपको क्या लगता है ऐसा क्यों होता है हमारे साथ? जब हम भाग रहे होते हैं तो हमारी सांस फूलने लगती है ना? Why? हम बहुत तेज से सांस लेने लगते हैं, हमारी हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जाती है. Why all these things happen? What do you think? Write your answer in the chat and also raise your hand. Yes, when we exercise, we breathe faster and our heart beats faster. Why? Share your ideas in the chat and also raise your hand. Okay, बेटे, it's not about right or wrong. It's all about your idea. आपको क्या लगता है, ठीक है? Just share your ideas. Okay, we have Fidak Zahra. Yes, Fidak. Quickly unmute your mic and then tell me. When we exercise, we breathe faster and our heart beat faster. Why? Yes, but please be quick. Unmute your mic and then tell me. Mohammed Jazal.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
When we
Hmm.
when we use more energy, our heart beats faster and we breathe faster and our heart beats faster.
Okay, right. Okay, let's see who have answered us in the chat. Then we will go further. Okay, Aisha Bibi, right. ठीक है बेटा. Musa bin Rashid, okay. Ryan Ahmad, right बेटे. Jazil, okay, good. Okay, let's see. Students, basically, when we run, our heart beats faster and we start breathing faster because our blood needs more oxygen. हमारी बॉडी को ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायर्ड होता है, ठीक है. जब हम रनिंग कर रहे होते हैं या किसी भी टाइप की एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी को हमारे किस चीज की जरूरत ज्यादा होती है, ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत ज्यादा होती है, ठीक है. और जब हम तेज तेज सांस लेते हैं तो क्या होता है, ऑक्सीजन जल्दी जल्दी से हम इनहेल कर रहे होते हैं ना. जब हम ब्रीथिंग कर रहे हैं तो क्या होता है, ऑक्सीजन इनहेल होती है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सहेल होती है. यू ऑल नो ना. When we are breathing, you are inhaling the oxygen and you are exhaling carbon dioxide. In the same way, when you run or when you do any sort of exercise, you need more oxygen. And for getting the more oxygen, what you do, you start breathing faster. Getting? And when you breathe faster, your blood is pumped around your body. हमारी बॉडी में क्या होता है, ब्लड पंप होता है, वो भी बहुत फास्टर, बहुत तेजी से हमारी बॉडी में ब्लड पंप होता है. Getting? That the way blood can carry more food and oxygen to our muscles. और इस तरह से क्या होता है, हमारा ब्लड हमारे तमाम मसल्स तक ऑक्सीजन कैरी करता है. Getting? Why we breathe faster? We breathe faster because our blood needs more oxygen. Our muscles need more oxygen. Getting? That's why our heart beat faster and it pumps the blood faster to provide oxygen to all parts of our body. Is it clear? Is there any confusion till now? If yes, please do ask me. And how you will ask me, start writing in the chat. I will answer you. When we breathe faster, our heart beats faster because our body needs more oxygen. Is it clear? Now, if you have any question, please ask me in the chat or you can also raise your hand. No. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. What is this? Which organ of our body is it? This is heart. And what is heart? Heart is a pumping organ. What is heart? It is a pumping organ. Getting? It is made up of muscles. Sorry. What is our heart? It is a pumping organ and it is made up of muscles. इसमें कोई bone नहीं होती, कोई ठीक है, कोई bone नहीं होती. It is simply made up of muscles. Each time our heart contracts more than once, ठीक है, it contracts more than once each second. What is heart? It is a pumping organ. It is made up of muscles and it contracts more than once each second. Okay. It keeps working throughout our life. This is the organ that never take rest. ठीक है, ये organ हमारी body का ये एक ऐसा organ है जो कभी भी rest नहीं लेता. It keep working throughout our life. हम सो रहे होते हैं, हम बैठे हुए होते हैं, हम खेल रहे होते हैं, हम रेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, but this organ is keep working. ये organ हमारी body का continuously work कर रहा होता है, चाहे हम सो रहे हो, हम बैठे हुए हो, हम लेटे हुए हो, हम walk कर रहे हो, हम अपना work कर रहे हो या फिर हम कोई भी काम कर रहे हो. This organ keeps on working. Is it clear? What is heart? It is a pumping organ and it is made up of muscles. What is heart? It is a pumping organ and it is made up of muscles. It contracts more than once each second. It contracts more than once each second and it keeps working throughout our life. It keeps working throughout our life. Getting bede? Is there any confusion till now? Do you know human heart beats about 90 times a minute? हमारा हार्ट एक मिनट में कितनी टाइम बीट करता है? About 90 times. Getting 90, ठीक है? Our heart beats about 90 times in a minute. एक मिनट में कितनी टाइम्स हमारा हार्ट बीट करता है? 90 times. ठीक है? The heartbeat of each organism is different. तमाम organisms की heartbeat different होती हैं. Getting? Like in elephants, it hearts beat about 25 times each minute. Elephant का heart कितनी बार beat करता है? 25 times each minute. एक मिनट में 25 times elephant का heart beat करता है. ठीक है? In mouse, the heart beat about 500 times in a minute. Mouse जो होता है simply rate, इसमें about 500 times its heart beats. Getting? It heart beats about 500 times. Human heart beats about 90 times in a minute. Elephant heart beats about 25 times in a minute. Mouse heart beats about 500 times each minute. Getting? And what is heart? It is a pumping organ. And it is made up of muscles. It contracts more than once each second. And it keeps working throughout our lives. Getting bete? It's all about the heart. Now, if you have any confusion till now, please ask me, then I will ask you. Okay, till then we have discussed first about exercise. What is exercise? Exercise means moving our body in different ways. Moving our body in different ways. For example, running, walking, playing, and jumping, dancing. These all are different sort of exercise. And to do exercise, we need energy. And from where the energy comes? Energy comes from the food. When we exercise, we breathe faster. Why we breathe faster? Because our body needs more oxygen. So what we do, we start breathing faster so that we can inhale more oxygen. And our heart also beat faster so that it could pump the blood around our body faster. Getting? And in this way, the blood carry more food and oxygen to all our muscles. Getting better? Is there any confusion? Please ask me. Otherwise, I will ask you. Yes, if you have any query, please ask me. Okay, now it's time to ask you the questions. Now, the very first question is, and to answer this question, you know that what you have to do, you have to write the answer in the chat and you can also raise your hand. ठीक है? Question सुनने के बाद आप hand raise करेंगे और once you have answered, what you will do, you will lower down your hand. ठीक है बेटा? And the best way is write in the chat. Okay, the first question is, what is the best way to keep ourselves strong and healthy? What is the best way to keep ourselves strong and healthy? Yes. Raise your hand and you can also write in the chat. Yes, Mishail. Yes, beta.
Is to exercise.
Very good. We need to have exercise. Okay, what is exercise? What is exercise? Yes, Musa. Musa bin Rashid. Yes, beta. What is exercise?
The exercise is a word in which we move our body in different ways.
Very good. Well done. Okay. Can you give me few example of exercise? Few examples of exercise. Who will answer? Yes. Fidak Zahra. Yes, beta. Yes, Fidak.
Miss, by running,
Yes.
swimming, dancing, walking, jumping,
Very done.
playing.
Excellent. Well done. Very good. Now the third question. Next question is, when we exercise, we breathe faster. Why? When we exercise, we breathe faster. Why? Yes. Who will answer? Mohammad Rohan. Yes, Mohammad Rohan.
Our Our beating is fast, frequent, heart beating, and blood circulation beating fast and stored. We need to oxygen.
Okay, good. Very good. Now, anyone else? The same question. When we exercise, we breathe faster and our hearts beat faster. Why? Who will answer? Okay, yes, we have Shanze Fatma. Yes, Shanze Fatma. Yes, Shanze.
Because our blood need more oxygen.
Very good. Well done. Okay. Now the next question is, what is heart? Yes, who will tell me what is heart? Yes, beta, what is heart? Who will answer? We have Mohammed Ayan. Yes, Ayan.
A pumping organ made with a muscle.
Very good. Well done. It is a pumping organ made up of muscles. Excellent. Okay. How many times does a human heart beats in a minute? How many times human heart beats in a minute? Yes, Huran Sabir. Yes, Huran Sabir.
90.
90 times. Very good. Yes, Ryan Ahmed.
Means 90.
Very good. 90 times. Well done. Okay, beta. Now it's time to note down the homework. I am going to write the homework on whiteboard, and what you will do, you will copy it. And I will also send this homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay? But note down the homework with me. I am going to write it on whiteboard. Okay, note down your homework, please. What you have to do first, you have to keep an exercise diary. आप एक छोटी सी डायरी बना लेंगे खुद से, ठीक है? 2-4 पेजेस लें, उसे स्टैपल करें. दिस विल बी योर डायरी. छोटी सी आप एक डायरी बनाएंगे, खुद ही बनाएंगे, ठीक है? Keep an exercise diary, and what you will write in it? You will write down each day when you do activities like running, cycling, jumping, walking, or any other. Or and for how long? And then also write